Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in my this video I will continue the list in Python. Already in my previous two videos I have discussed lots of things on list in Python. If you want to check those videos, please go through the link given in the description box. Okay, so in my last video, the last topic which I have discussed, that is operator, that is plus operator. Okay, so let me just create two lists. So what we have seen, suppose we have one list 1, 2, 7, 8, another list 9, 10, 11, 12. Now when I will be computing L1 plus L2, this particular plus will work like append. Okay, so it will create one new list in L3 and which is having the elements 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Check that, what we can do, simply print the list. If I run, see, you will be getting output as 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this is how plus operator works. Now you just recall, we have seen this thing in case of string. So suppose one string is defined as e equal to high. Now if I multiply 3 with e, that is multiply one integer with a string, we were getting high. That is that many times the particular string was concatenated with itself, and that was giving us as output. So same like this string, in case of list also this particular property is present. Okay, suppose let me write L1 equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then if I write print L1 star, suppose 2, see 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply, instead of print directly, you can store in some other variable if you would require later. So if I now print L, see what you will be getting, print L, see 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means if you multiply n with a list, the list will be replicated n times with itself and will create a new list. Okay, all right. So this is how operators like addition and multiplication works in case of list. Apart from that, some very important methods also we will check now, which is going to be very helpful in solving lots of programming questions. Okay, so among them, one of the most important is count. Okay, so count method present in list is used to count the frequency of a number or string or object, we can say. Okay, so like let me write here L equal to 8, 8, 10, 10, 10. Okay, so 8 is appearing 2 times, 10 is appearing how many times? 3 times, right? Now suppose you want to count how many times 10 is appearing. So what you write? L dot count 10. Okay, if you run, you will be getting output as 3. So it will return us the frequency. Suppose I am writing 8, we will be getting count as 2. Okay, so this is how count works in case of list. Obviously very useful tool. Okay, then next one, very important. Suppose I have one list 8, 1, 2, minus 6. Okay, minus 60 suppose. Now suppose I want to sort the list. Okay, you might have already studied bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, quick sort, merge sort, etc. different sorting. Okay, but while solving competitive programming and especially for placement or interview process, like we can simply do arrays dot sort or collection dot sort in case of Java. Like that, same thing present, sort inbuilt function is present in list also. So L dot sort, if I apply, so now what we can do, if I print L, see what will happen. Print L, if we do, say minus 60, 1, 2, 8. Okay, so that is, it is sorted in ascending order. All right. So this is how sort works. Now suppose I have one list ES equal to, suppose 78, 10, minus 20, 3, 60, then 978. I have taken randomly. Okay. Now you want to sort this list in descending order. Okay. We have seen that whenever we apply L dot sort, it will sort the list L in which order? Ascending order. So I want to get descending order. So you just reverse the ascending form, you will get the descending form. So we need some method to reverse a list. For that also there is one method present in list, that is reverse. Okay, so what we can do, simply first apply sort es dot sort, es dot sort. So this will sort my es list in ascending order, then es dot reverse. Okay, now I have just have a run in the code. Now I will write print yes. Okay, if I run, see 978 78 60 10 3 minus 20. Initially my list was 78 10 minus 23 60 978. Now we are getting this sorted list in descending order. Okay, so like this you can use reverse and sort combination to achieve the descending order form, or simply use sort to get the ascending order. Count is used to get the frequency, and multiplication for replicating n times, and addition, as I have discussed earlier, also to concatenate to list. Okay, so these are some very important methods present in case of list. This is all for my this video. Hope this video will help you in boosting concepts in programming in Python. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to have a like and comment your valuable feedback so that we can improve with those feedbacks. Okay, share this if you find this video helpful, and if you think that this video will help others also. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Okay, thank you for watching.